Hello everyone, I'm Rodney Reynolds. VLC media player, I love it. I use it all the time. However, this is something I do first thing after I install it on any computer system. I go into Tools, go to Preferences, then I uncheck Resize Interface to Video Size. What this will do is no matter what size the video is, it will not resize the media player. So this is great because, like, for example, if your screen resolution is only 1080p and you open a 4K video, then the media player is going to resize. It's going to be huge, and of course then you're going to have to resize it. But if you uncheck this, say save, then you open a file, it will stay to this size on your screen. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next one.